How to fix eFootball mobile lag. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix the lagging issue on eFootball mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now to fix the lag on eFootball mobile, you can try to lower the graphics. You can do that from the start screen and by tapping that menu icon from the bottom right, and from here just going to this option called graphics. Now from graphics over here, I've set the player graphics and the stadium graphics to standard, but you can choose this to lowest, which will prioritize playability. So go to stadium graphics also choose this to lowest. After you've done that, if you're still facing issues, you can try to convert your frame rate to 30 or other below FPS like 15, 20, 30 or 60. Another thing you can also do is tap on this option and tap on clear cache to delete any of the cache files that it may be generating and see if that helps you solve the problem as well. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.